Hey guys, it's the Junior Coder, and this is the first part of the Intro to Python tutorial series. So let's get right into it. Python is one of the most popular programming languages, and people use it to do cool things like automation, AI, and also build applications and websites. Some popular things made with Python are Instagram, Google, Spotify, Netflix, and Dropbox. In this section, I'm going to show you how to download Python on your computer. So the first thing I want you to do is open up your browser and head over to python.org. On this page, click on Downloads. Here, you can download the latest version of Python. So let's do that. So next, we need to install a code editor. We need a code editor to write our code. So there are so many code editors out there, but the one I've chosen for this tutorial is PyCharm. So to get this, head over to jetbrains.com/PyCharm. So now let's go ahead and download PyCharm. So here on the download page, you can see two different versions. One of them is the professional edition, which you have to pay for, but the one we will be using in this tutorial is the community version. So let's download that. So every time you run PyCharm, you're going to see the main page. So when you're on that, you just click Create New Project. Now you can name your new project anything you want, but note that the first time you open PyCharm, you have to expand this project interpreter settings. Make sure the base interpreter is the latest version of Python. So an interpreter is basically a program that knows how to execute Python code. So when we're done all of that, we can click Create. So here in PyCharm, right click your project's name and go to New Python File. Let's name that file app.py. So every Python file should have the py extension. So now simply type print and parentheses. You can either use single quotes or double quotes. Then inside those quotes write your name. Now with this piece of code, you can print your name on the terminal. To run this, you simply press Ctrl, Alt, and R. So down below, you can see this little terminal window. So here we can see the results or the output of our program. Now in the future, as you learn more Python, you'll be able to make applications that have a graphical user interface. That is a little bit complicated, so for now, we're going to use this little terminal window to see our results of our program. So as you can see, my name is printed on the terminal. Now, as you write code, this window might get in your way, so you can always resize it or even minimize it by using this icon here. So you've written your first Python code. In this section, you're going to learn about variables, which are one of the most fundamental concepts in programming. We use variables to temporarily store data in a computer's memory. Here's an example. Let's type price equals 20. When you want to print a variable, you simply write the name of the variable inside parentheses without any quotations. The price value here is a whole number without a decimal point. In programming, we refer to these numbers as integers. So an integer is a number without a decimal point. We can also write numbers with a decimal point. So here, let's write rating. Let's set it to 3.8. So we refer to these as floats. We have another type called Boolean. It can either be true or false. We can also set a variable to a string. For example, name equals John. So that'll be it for part 1. If you learned something, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep a lookout for part 2 of the series. I'll catch you next time. Bye.